How to connect PS5 controller to PC. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. You can connect your PS5 controller to PC through a USB port or through Bluetooth connection. If you are using a USB, plug your selected USB cable into your PC port, after which plug the other end of the cable into the USB-C port. Wait for your Windows PC to recognize the DualSense controller. If you want to connect it with a Bluetooth connection, firstly in your PC, go ahead to your Bluetooth setting and enable your Bluetooth connection. Tap on Add a device. Make sure that your DualSense is ready to connect. After it is suggested in the list, just tap on your PS5 controller. After that, you'll be able to have a successful connection between your PS5 controller to your PC. It's a quick and easy step. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can try by restarting your PC as well. And we have come to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.